Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some awesome Ibotta deals you can do at Walmart. We have many items for under $1. So if you want to see what deals you can do at Walmart, just keep watching. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only two rebate apps I really use. Those two apps are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. These are the two easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is Ibotta. If you download Ibotta, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. Ibotta has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from Ibotta, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, our first deal are the Mott's Mighty Applesauce Cups. They're $1.98 at my Walmart. Ibotta has a $1 back offer. So after that $1 rebate, they'll be 98 cents a piece. You can do this deal 5 times on one receipt. Okay, our next rebate is for these Dixie Ultra paper cutting boards. It's a 10 count pack. They're $4.48 at my store. On Ibotta, there is a $2.50 back rebate. So after that rebate, it's going to make each pack just $1.98. This also has a limit of 5. Our next deal is on these big extra strong mechanical pencils. You're going to pick up 2 of these at $2.64 each. That'll be $5.28 for both of them. Then you're going to use this $2 off 2 big coupon from the 8-1 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.28 out of pocket. Then you will submit your receipt to Ibotta. You'll get $1 back per pack. There's a limit of 2 on this offer. That'll make your final price $1.28 for both, or just 64 cents each. Next, we have a super easy freebie. You're going to pick up 1 pack of the 6.6 ounce goldfish. At my store, they're $1.52. You're going to submit it to Ibotta for $1.89 back, making it free plus a 37-cent moneymaker. Next, we have a nice little BOGO deal. Buy 2 packs of the Trident gum. They're $1.12 each. Ibotta is giving you back $1.12 when you buy 2. Makes your final price $1.12 for both, or just 56 cents each. Okay, this next deal is a super hot deal. You're going to pick up 3 of the Safeguard liquid hand soaps, the 15.5 ounce. Ibotta has a buy one get one offer, but don't try to pick up 4 because it won't work, because this offer is a limit of 1. So you're going to pick up 3 for $2.97 each. That's $8.91 for all 3 of them. But when you check out, you're going to use this $5 off 3 Old Spice, Gillette, or Safeguard liquid hand soap paper coupon from the August P&G. It doesn't show a picture of the Safeguard liquid hand soap, but it is included in this coupon. So you're going to pay $3.91 at the register, submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $3.67. Makes your final price just 24 cents for all 3, or 8 cents each. Next deal, we have this Baby Magic Calming Baby Bath. It is $3.34. There is this $1 off any one Baby Magic product from the 8-1 Smart Source. So you're going to pay $2.34 out of pocket. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for another $1 back, making your final price $1.34 per bottle. You can do this up to 5 times per receipt. Here's another super easy BOGO deal. The Ritz 6-pack cheese crisper crackers. They are $2.98 at Walmart. You're going to pick up 2 of those. It's going to be $5.96 for both. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $2.98, making your final price for both $2.98, or just $1.49 each. And this deal is a limit of 1. With these buy one get one offers, I feel like I'm saying the same numbers over and over, and I'm confusing myself. So let's go ahead and throw in one more buy one get one offer. Okay, these Smithfield Powered Bites. They are $2.68 at Walmart. Ibotta has a buy one get one offer. So you're going to pick up 2 of them at $2.68. That total is going to be $5.36. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $2.68 back, making your final price for 2 of them, you guessed it, $2.68, or just $1.34 each. Now, go through your Ibotta app, click on Walmart in store, and look at all the BOGO offers they have. They have a ton of BOGO offers. Also, I know there's a bunch of completely free items, like I think there's Chex cereal. It's like apple cinnamon flavor. Some accounts have that as totally free. I do not have that as totally free. I think there's a JoJo Siwa cereal, possibly. Some accounts are getting totally free. So go through and look and see what items you have BOGO in Ibotta and what items you have totally free from Ibotta. It's not as easy to coupon for groceries. That's why these rebate apps are so crucial. Mostly Ibotta is probably best if you use it at Walmart because normally things are cheaper at Walmart. But sometimes the offers aren't available at Walmart. They're available at other places like Publix or Winn-Dixie. So just go through your app and see what's available at Walmart. You can go online and check for in your store at Walmart and see what the price is and figure out these yourself. When I go into my Ibotta app, first thing I look for is the free after offer. You'll see it on the picture. It'll say free after offer or 50% off. You'll see that on the picture as well. I also look for the BOGO items, and then I look for anything that's kind of high value. Something that has a value on Ibotta of 25 or 50 cents back, I may not look at as much as I would when I see something that says $1 back, $2 back. Anything really above $1, I'm gonna look that up and see if it's a good deal. But I'll keep posting these Ibotta deal videos for you so you can kind of learn how to do it as you go. If you have any Ibotta deals that I didn't put in this video, because there are a lot more offers that I did not put in the video, obviously. So if you have a really good offer that's not in the video, leave it in the comment section down below. Maybe you can help someone else out with that offer. Like I said, a lot of people were getting free cereal this week from Ibotta. Erica was not so lucky. Erica did not get any free cereal. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints about Ibotta, how to use it, anything about the video, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It's an easy, free way to help me out. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Come back on Friday to check out my Dollar General video. We're doing 5 off 25 scenarios for Saturday. As always, I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching. Have fun out there doing your Ibotta hauls. Have fun this weekend couponing at Dollar General. And don't forget to leave any good deals you got on Ibotta in the comment section down below so everybody else can check and see if they got them. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And until next time, bye.